Good morning, class. Today will be the fifth class of consignment accounting. I have done many sums. Again, I will be doing few sums with you for consignment to get your proper syllabus pattern. Today, I will be solving 2015 sums. In my last class, I have solving 2013 year sum. আজকে আমি 2015 সামটা করব। সাম হ্যাজ বিন অলরেডি প্রোভাইডেড ইন দ্য পিডিএফে আমি অলরেডি সামটা তোমাদের দিয়ে দিয়েছি। জাস্ট গো থ্রু ইট প্রপারলি। ইট সেজ দ্যাট বিকে ট্রেডার্স অফ কলকাতা কনসাইন গুডস কস্টিং রুপিস 75,000 টু রমেশ ট্রেডার্স অফ পাটনা। কি বলেছে? বিকে ট্রেডার্স কলকাতার ট্রেডার জিনিসটা কনসাইনমেন্টে পাঠাচ্ছে, কস্টিং গুডস আবার ইনভয়েস প্রাইসে করতে হবে, জাস্ট লাইক দ্য প্রিভিয়াস ডে সাম উইচ আই হ্যাভ ডান। 75,000 কস্টিং প্রাইস কোথায় পাঠাচ্ছে? পাটনাতে। তাহলে কনসাইনমেন্ট টু পাটনা অ্যাকাউন্ট হবে আমার ইন দ্য বুকস অফ বিকে ট্রেডার্স অবভিয়াসলি। কস্টিং প্রাইস বলেছে 75,000. The invoice price was made so as to make a profit of 33 1/3% on cost. It's more or less same type. 33 1/3% on cost. 33 1/3% on cost means invoice price you need to add up with the 75,000 plus 33 1/3% of 75,000, you will get the goods sent on consignment price. Next, BK Traders paid rupees 900 as carriage and 1400 as freight and insurance. BK Traders আবার 900 টাকা ক্যারেজ আর 1400 টাকায় ফ্রেট আর ইন্স্যুরেন্সের জন্য দিচ্ছে। Goods costing 7,500 were destroyed in transit. Again, goods costing 75,000 were destroyed in transit. And the insurance company admitted in full claim. Same type of sum. Ramesh Traders in Patna paid 600 as carriage, 800 as go down. 2/3 were received. See, in 2013, the same type has been done in 2015. I will be helping you out for this as a same type. I will do that. One, it's more or less same. Ramesh Traders, BK Traders proceed Del Trader commission as well as commission 7.5% and 2.5% on sales. So it is more or less the same sum. So I am proceeding with in the books of BK Traders. Consignment to Patna account. Right? Consignment to Patna. Particulars, amount rupees and particulars, amount rupees. Right? So first, two goods sent on consignment account. Right? So goods sent on consignment account. It is 75,000 plus 1/3 of 75,000 means 25 plus 75, it's 1 lakh. Means loading is 25. Right? To bank account. Obviously carriage and freight and insurance are there. So carriage, freight and insurance. So carriage is given 900, freight and insurance is 1400. So it is basically 2,300. Right? right? Okay. And Ramesh Traders also paid certain things to Ramesh Traders. Ramesh Traders দিচ্ছে ক্যারেজ, Ramesh Traders ক্যারেজ দিচ্ছে and গোডাউন রেন্টও দিচ্ছে 600 আর 800. This is sum number 45. So 1400. Right? So for now you need to calculate consignment sales. You know how, because 2/3 has been received at IP, so it will be cost of goods received is equal to cost of goods, I am writing in short, cost of goods sent on consignment. Cost of goods sent on consignment, COGSOC, minus cost of goods destroyed in transit, COGDIT. So cost of goods destroyed in transit and cost of goods sent on consignment. It's 75,000 minus it's 7,500. It is basically coming 67,500. On this 65,500, 2/3 will be the consignment sales, তাই না? এইটার মধ্যে এবার 2/3 হবে, তাহলে কি হবে? therefore consignment sales is equal to how much? 2/3 of 67,500 যেটা বেরোবে, profit is given 33 1/3, so 1/3 of this amount. I am calculating that amount with 67,500 into 2 divided by 3. It is coming 45,000. So 45,000 1/3 means 15,000. So 45 plus 15, it is basically 60,000. Okay, this is 45,000 plus 15,000, so 60,000. Okay, so consignment sales is 60,000. So by Ramesh Traders account, working note 1, 60,000. Okay, so to Ramesh Traders account, commission are of two type, ordinary at the rate how much? 7.5%, and Del Trader at the rate 2.5%, means 7.5% of 60,000. So 60,000 into 7.5%, it is 4,500, and 60,000 into 2.5%, it is coming 1,500. Total is 6,000. You don't need to calculate over here কনসাইনি অ্যাকাউন্ট। কনসাইনি অ্যাকাউন্ট তোমাকে করতে বলেনি, শুধু কনসাইনমেন্ট অ্যাকাউন্ট করছি। আগের বারের মতোই সেম জিনিস, কোনো চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে না, কিন্তু একই আছে। সো what I have to do next is obviously I need to calculate working note 2 for valuation of stock, unsold stock and goods lost in transit. Working note 2, valuation of unsold stock and goods lost in transit. Unsold stock or goods lost in transit calculate করতে হবে, তাই তো? IP of goods sent, IP means invoice price. তুমি জানো দুটো অ্যাকাউন্ট করতে হবে, একটা ইনভয়েস প্রাইস অ্যামাউন্ট রুপিস, আরেকটা হচ্ছে লোডিং অ্যামাউন্ট রুপিস। Invoice price amount rupees is 1 lakh and loading is 1/3 of 75,000 means 25,000, right? Add consignors expenses. Consignors expense both দুটোই আসবে। Carriage and freight, it is 2,300. It's 1,02,300 and over here it's 25,000. Now again less goods destroyed in transit. How will you calculate? See, it is 7,500 has been destroyed out of 75,000. So 7,500 by 75,000 into the total amount, which is 1,02,000. 1,02,300 into 7,500 by 75,000, right? করে নি। It is 10230 and over here to 25,000 by 7,500 by 75,000. So it is 2,500. So it is 2,500. You deduct, it is coming 92,070 and it is coming 22,500, right? Right? Add non-recurring expenses. Non-recurring expenses of consignee. Consignee non-recurring কি আছে? Only carriage আছে 600, আর কিছু নেই, এখানেও কিছু হবে। 92,670 22,500, right? So what will become? You see, 2/3 of the goods received by consignee, 2/3 রিসিভ করছে কনসাইনি, তাহলে আনসোল্ড কত থাকছে? 2/3 যদি কনসাইনি রিসিভ করে তাহলে আনসোল্ড পড়ে থাকছে 1/3. If 2/3 is been received by consignee, then unsold will remain obviously 1/3, right? Unsold remains 1/3. So if unsold remains 1/3 and you know as the number of actually the calculation which you made is like that. 1/3 of 92,000, right? Therefore, cost of unsold stock is equal to 1/3 of 92,670, right? 92,670, 1/3, it's 30,890, right? And loading, what will be the loading? Therefore, load on unsold stock 1/3 of 22,500, right? It is 7,500. So loading is 7,500 and it is 30,870. So buy goods destroyed in transit, working note 2, destroyed in transit কত হচ্ছে 10,230, working note 2, right? And consignment stock by consignment stock, which is also working note 2. I have calculated 1/3 of 92,670. Why 1/3? কেন 1/3? 2/3 যদি রিসিভ করি তাহলে 1/3 হচ্ছে আমার আনসোল্ড, তাই না? তাই 1/3 অফ যে অ্যামাউন্টটা বেরিয়েছে কত 30,890, okay? And loading which I have made on cost of goods sent should be calculated over here by goods sent on consignment load working note 2, 25,000, right? And over here 2 goods destroyed in transit, the loading which is 2,500, this one I am giving the bracket, just follow the bracket. 2 goods destroyed in transit, working note 2, it's 2,500. And stock reserve is this one, 7,500, right? To stock reserve account, working note 2, 7,500. Now you please calculate. 60, 30, 90, 90, 10, 1,25,000, 1,25,890 plus 230, 1,26,120. And over here 1,02,000, 6,000 has been, okay, there has been a profit. 2 profit and loss account, profit on consignment. This is obviously balancing figure. Amount is calculating 6,420. 6,420. So I have done both days sum, means my 4th class and the 5th class more or less same, only over here you don't need to prepare the consignee account. এখানে তোমাকে consignee accountটা করতে হচ্ছে না, মানে তোমার রামেশ ট্রেডার্সের অ্যাকাউন্টটা করতে হচ্ছে না, বাদ বাকি সেম। খেয়াল করবে দুদিনের সামটাই মোর অর লেস সেম, কোনো প্রবলেম নেই, একই ধরনের সাম। সো প্লিজ ফলো দ্য সাম প্রপারলি, তাহলেই অঙ্কটা করতে পারবে। থ্যাংক ইউ ফর দ্য ক্লাস, ফর পেশেন্ট হিয়ারিং। হ্যাভ আ নাইস ডে হ্যাড।